In today's fast-paced world, food safety, quality, and efficiency are more important than ever. One of the most consumed and nutrient-rich foods worldwide, the egg, has seen a revolution in how it is handled, processed, and delivered to our homes thanks to modern egg processing technology. The process begins the moment eggs arrive from poultry farms. On automated conveyor belts, they are gently carried through the first-stage inspection and grading. Advanced sensors and imaging systems detect any cracks, deformities, or dirty shells. Eggs that do not meet the quality standards are immediately removed from the line. Next comes washing and sanitizing. Eggs are cleaned using warm water, food-grade detergents, and soft brushes. In some systems, ultraviolet (UV) light is used to further kill bacteria and reduce contamination. This ensures that every egg that moves forward is spotless and safe for consumption. Following the wash, eggs go through a process known as candling, where they are passed over bright lights that allow operators or automated systems to inspect the inside of the egg without breaking it. This step ensures there are no blood spots or internal defects, guaranteeing only the best quality eggs are packed. The eggs are then graded by size and weight: small, medium, large, and extra large. This is done at a high speed using precision machines that can sort thousands of eggs per hour with pinpoint accuracy. In more advanced facilities, some eggs are broken and separated into liquid form: egg whites, yolks, or whole liquid eggs. These are pasteurized at controlled temperatures to eliminate any risk of bacteria such as salmonella, making them ideal for commercial use in bakeries, restaurants, and packaged foods. Pasteurization not only improves safety, but also extends the shelf life of eggs, especially when converted into liquid, frozen, or dried egg products. Finally, the eggs are packaged using automated systems. Labels are applied showing the grade, weight, packing date, and traceability code. Then they are stored in temperature-controlled environments to preserve their freshness until they reach the store shelves or export markets. Modern egg processing is not just about speed and cleanliness, it's about delivering trust. By combining cutting-edge technologies with strict hygiene standards, the industry ensures that every egg you consume is clean, safe, and of the highest quality. This is the power of modern egg processing, a blend of science, technology, and nutrition working together to feed the world, one egg at a time.